That's enough. How you guys doing? Dan, I gotta get you off the stage. They didn't come here to see Dan Cancer. Who did you girls come to see? I'm gonna bring them on out right now. Everybody, Justin Bieber! Whoa. They actually know your name. Let me find the real Justin Bieber. Hold on. Let me see if he's back here. I think I might know where he is. Where's he at? I can't find him. Where'd he go? All right, let me see if I can find him.
Alright, so, yes, hello, how are you? I'm excited, tonight's going to be a lot of fun. There's going to be a lot of people here, and there's going to be a lot of cool things you guys have never seen before. So, hey, can you turn me on the stage? Yo, hello? Can you turn me on the stage? Check, 1, 2. Check. There we go, that's better. So yeah, I'm really excited to be here. And Dan, you excited? Yeah? This is Alfredo. You guys know Alfredo? He's cool. I don't really know what to do. I've only done this like once. You guys have any like questions or anything? You guys have any questions? Yeah? My favorite color? Is that really relevant? No, it's okay. My favorite color is purple. Yeah, this color. Anybody else? And it can't be like, will I marry you? Because I can't really marry anybody.
Yeah.
Yes? My favorite song to perform. I like performing Down to Earth is one of my favorites. Yeah. I do like New York a lot, yeah. But I thought, where are we right now? We're in Jersey though. Alright. Yes? Sure. Here. Can't reach it. Give it to Kenny. He'll hold on to it for me. Kenny, hold on to it for me. Alright. Yes. Next question. Hello. The youngest girl I would date. Like 15. Do I wear Jordans? Yes. 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 Here. You can give it to Kenny. You give it to Kenny. Kenny will hold it. I will. You just need to...
Need a favor.
Yeah?
We need to sound check the drums.
We do? Yeah.